Hello everyone, welcome to another RC-Junky video. I'm just going to show you another 3D project I've been working on, 3D printing project, sorry, I should say. These are little mesh mesh plates that I've 3D printed. They go onto this part here. Now, this is a part of a side plate or side spoiler, side panel for a Scania R470 and R620. Tamiya don't provide you anything to go on this here. They do provide little tread plates for the front panel, as in this one that's on here, but they don't provide any for the rear. So I decided to 3D print some, just a 1mm thickness with a 3mm grid. When my camera decides to focus, there we go. And it just has an L shape because the top plate has a little ledge that it recesses into. Excuse my camera work, I'm doing it freehand today. And the bottom one is just a flat plate with the same pattern on it. So that pops into there. Once they pop into there and they're glued in place, stuck in place, however you decide to fix them, they fill that gap there and they end up with a nice flush finish so they don't protrude anywhere down the side of the vehicle. The top one, as I said, has an overhang to go over this lip here, and the bottom one doesn't, so I would probably recommend, and I probably will on mine, paint this little ledge here the same colour that you intend to paint your footsteps. So as you can see on mine, I've painted mine silver, so when I finish, I haven't quite finished this yet, I'm going to touch that edge in with some silver paint and paint this ledge here, so they will end up as a silver paint. So once again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the videos, and look out for more. I'll try and do some more 3D printing projects soon. I've got a few in mind, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.